So, தெரிக்க விடலாமா?
மூணுக்கு பாரா.
வரேன். Alright guys, right now we're going to the Lotte Cinema, right? Lotte Cinema in Sasang. So I'm going to catch the Ant-Man and the Wasp 2, that movie. And then tonight I'm going to give you all a movie review about that movie. So stay tuned. See you guys at the cinema. This is like my first time going to the cinema in Busan with my macha. Alright, see you guys soon. Take my money. Ding 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 ding. Finish. Thank you.
환승입니다. 서부산 센터병원으로 사상역 1번 출구로 바랍니다.
Right guys, we are here, but the cinema is over there, up there? No, right there. Right there. So this is the place. Wow. So we just exited Apple outlet.
Yeah.
Sounds like Apple iPhone, but not iPhone. It's all clothing. So don't think Apple outlet selling iPhone. No. Wow, look at that. Lotte Cinema. We are going there. Inside here. So back to Apple outlet again. Welcome to Lotte Cinema. This guy's showing peace man. Wow, the cinema is amazing. So we don't have to buy the tickets because my friend already bought it online, so we just scan and go in. So this is the cinema view. It's basically like in TGV also. So you press the movie you want, you press English, and you find my reservation, then you put your booking number, you get it. Right? Yeah, let's do it. So you press print. Yeah, we got our ticket. We can go inside right now. Dun 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 dun. It's a shock. It's to buy popcorn. So they have hot dogs, chips, popcorns. Yeah. Woo! So we just passed the ticket counter and now we're going into our cinema. Look at this popcorn, man.
Yeah.
It's a huge popcorn. It's only 5,500 won, right? Yeah. It's big. This is cinema screen. Alright, we're gonna watch the movie and then I'm gonna give you guys a review later. So see you guys. Alright guys, we're done with the movie. Now in the elevator we're going back. Going back, right?
home.
Go back. Leftover popcorn. This is your dinner.
This is my breakfast.
Your breakfast.
Morning breakfast.
Alright guys, now we're gonna go back, take our train and go back home. Alright guys, just got back from the cinema and then here's my dinner. So, Ant-Man and the Wasp movie review. So basically the movie is pretty damn good. I prefer it more than the first Ant-Man because this one has got like, spoiler alert for those who didn't watch, it has more shrinking and expanding and getting bigger and shrinking again and then punching and then shrinking back. And this episode, like this chapter is like more into quantum realm stuff, you know. Oh my god, my laptop just died. So it's pretty exciting. And spoiler alert again for those who didn't watch Infinity Wars. If you didn't watch Infinity Wars yet and you call yourself a Marvel fan, I don't know what to say. Stop watching this video, just get out. So, do you know the scene where Thanos snapped his fingers and then everybody turned into dust and stuff? So that scene is actually related to this movie, and also why Ant-Man is not in Infinity Wars. So for those who want to find out why, actually I don't want to tell why in this video so that it won't be fun, even though I gave some spoilers, but then it's not the full spoiler. This is the most interesting part. Where is Ant-Man? So you'll just go and find out, go watch the movie and find out. Make sure to stay for, like, there are 2 post-credit scenes, so stay for both. You will find out where Ant-Man was when Thanos snapped his fingers. Why wasn't he fighting? And overall the movie was quite nice. It was starting, it was a bit boring, a lot of talking and research stuff, and then after that when the shrinking part came, shrinking, then became bigger, then shrink again, then go bigger again, that part was really interesting. It was nice. The pace of the movie was quite good. It's going up. So I would recommend that movie to Marvel fans lah, and to those who are new to Marvel, give it a shot. So I would rate that movie like about 7/10 maybe. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're asking where was the cinema I watched, it is in Sasang. So for those who is in Dongzu University, you guys can take the subway from Jure. There's like 2 stops and then you reach Sasang, and then you just go up to the Apple outlet. The cinema is there, so you just find for that 3rd floor. So that's pretty much it, guys. See you guys in my next vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos of me in Korea. So 감사합니다. 안녕하세요. See you. Bye bye.